and the Lake District's National Park Authority rangers said that they spoke to more than 200 individuals on Saturday evening. According to them, groups were camping by tarns with fires on summit cairns. 20 people were partying on a fell. These activities are all banned under government rules. I have to say, I haven't seen that much evidence of people breaking the rules in that kind of way. I think, some of the social distancing and the 2 meters seems to be slipping, but that does sound a bit extreme, doesn't it?
Yeah, it does. But also we've seen big group gatherings in all sorts of ways on the beaches. I know there were pride parties this weekend as well. We've had the protests too. But I did notice that in Spain, the way they're managing this, those massive groups of people are on the beaches in Bournemouth, for example, we were talking about last week. They are just piling the money into this, and they're hiring like thousands of wardens who are going to patrol the beaches rather, and make sure people keep their distance. They're also, according to one report this morning, going to use drones to monitor the numbers of crowds on the beaches and help them manage that situation as well. So they do seem to be a little bit more on it, perhaps, in advance of welcoming loads, potentially, of British tourists and tourists from other parts of Europe this summer. We'll have to see whether that's practical. Let's turn our attention to what's happening in Scotland, because, as we mentioned, there have been no confirmed deaths from coronavirus since Friday in Scotland. And one view of a public health expert is that Scotland could eliminate the virus by the end of the summer if the number of cases continues to decline. That's Professor Devi Sridhar, Professor and Chair of Global Public Health at the University of Edinburgh. Good morning.
Good morning, Rachel.
So you feel very confident the way the direction Scotland is going in at the moment?
Yes, I mean,